Hare Krishna. Yesterday we were talking about, how the conditioned souls are externally active, internally asleep. And that is explained in the 4th chapter of the Gita I was telling, isn't it? So what is the problem in being externally active? Prahlad Maharaj was telling his father, Durashaya ye bahirartamanna. In the Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, there is a very important verse. Mohat grihitva asadgrahan pravartante ashuchi vratau. Krishna is telling, by coming an illusion, mohat grihitva, holding on to asatgrahat. They hold on to asat cheese. Asat means temporary, perishable, glittering commodities of this world. They hold on to that. Their eyes are blinded by material glamour. As Krishna explains, Bhogeshwarya prasaktana taya apahrita chetasa. By the glitter and glamour of the material energy in the form of Dhanam, Janam, Sundarim. These are the attractions for these people. And they chase after them, they acquire them, they latch on to them, and they die with them, not knowing where are they going next. And as they do this, they become blinded to the spiritual reality, and they are like bubbles in an ocean. They just move for a while and they explode. Like that, these people also, they get different bodies, and those bodies explode by the passage of time, and they repeatedly take on such temporary material bodies. And on the other hand, those who are devotees of the Lord, they hear from the scriptures through Shravanam process, a oral reception in Guru Parampara, and that wakes them up from the sleepy state. Once they wake up, they realize, oh, there are two things. There is material body and there is spirit soul seated in the material bodily machine. I am different from the material body. And this material body is not only changing, it is pain producing. It is always ever changing phenomenon. Let me work for the imperishable, eternal soul and soul's relationship with God, rather than invest all my energy and time in dying material body. So the purpose of Vedic life is to pay attention to the eternal soul's welfare and take our attention away from the dying material body. Material body is here today, it will be gone tomorrow. That's the way the material body is. So then we become internally alert. As Krishna says in the Gita, Ya nisha sarva bhutanam yasyam jagarti samyami tasyam jagrati bhutani sa nisha pashyato mune. Those people who are bodily driven, they are awake late night in the illusory culture of the material existence. They are all the time you will find Rajaguna is in the day, Tamaguna is in the night. So these are very important for them. On the other hand, those who are not attached to the material body but attached to the spirit soul's welfare, they rise early in the morning. They rise up. Prabhupada got up so early, he got up at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock he got up. He extended his Brahma Murti even more. Of course, we cannot imitate Prabhupada. At least we have to get up at 4 and then we come for the culture of the soul. The culture of the soul is under the shelter of internal potency. The materialistic body flourishes under the external potency, the 3 gunas. So at least one should be able to understand the difference between the two. What is internal potency, what is external potency, what is the welfare of the soul, what is the welfare of the body. Even if one is not able to understand what is spiritual life, why are we dancing, why are we singing, why are we attending class, why are we wearing dhoti kurta, one boy was asking, why are we doing all these things? I said, yes, your surprise is no wonder because you so much identify with the external world. Suddenly you wonder, what is this? But many of you will see, after some years, slowly when the consciousness gets cleared of the impurities, then you understand that whatever our seniors gave for us is the best thing for us. They taught us chanting, they taught us serving, they taught us worshipping the Lord, they taught us studying the Bhagavad Gita. Thank God at the right age we got all these things. You will realize more and more as you proceed in your life with increasing years. Just like when you join NCC, they immediately give you a gun in the hand. You don't even know how to hold it, this way or this way. You just hold it like this, you put a cap. You look like a soldier. Although you You just wear the uniform of a soldier, but you have not yet been trained yet. That's our situation. We are given the dress of a pure devotee. Wear the tilak, wear kantimala, take the bead bag. We look like Prabhupada also wear similarly, we also wear like him. Very similar. But what is the difference? We are kacha mango, he is pakka mango. Isn't it? So the morning program is actually given for us to go from the kacha stage to pakka stage, ripen our devotion service by strengthening our base on the understanding of the soul and soul's dharma, which is love of God. So the chanting of the holy name is actually a process which is awarded by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by faithfully doing which the cleansing of the body and the subtle bodily coverings happens, and then the soul gets completely awakened. So all through the Lord Chaitanya's literature, this is a fundamental knowledge. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastimes and teachings. Mahaprabhu did not write too many books because people get lost in the books and become scholars. Therefore he wrote only one thing. What did he write? Chikshashtakam. He said, my dear Lord, you are my master, I am your eternal servant, some or other I have forgotten you, and I have become foolish in this world, wandering here and there. Please accept me as your eternal servant, engage me in your devotional service. This is the sum and substance of all religions, all teachings across the globe, no matter which part of the world you belong to, which religion you belong to. The sum and substance, the quintessence of all religious principles is given by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Anyone who develops a firm faith in this truth, they don't need to become mundane scholars. The greatest intelligent person, Jiva, is that one who surrenders to the Lord and puts his body, mind and soul in Lord's lotus feet, and then that soul can attain perfection even in one life very easily. And that is realized as we chant the holy name more and more faithfully. The chanting increases the energy of the soul and cleanses all the unwanted impurities, bringing the soul back to its original nature, reviving our Swarupa in relation to the Lord, and awards us with eternal loving devotional service for all time to come. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like this Satyri's ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava brindaki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki.